The GenScript Pro Biologics GMP Manufacturing Center is located in Nanjing, China. The plant includes GMP warehouse, drug product production area, drug substance production area, and QC lab. The drug product manufacturing facility includes formulation, filling, freeze-drying, visual inspection, and secondary packaging, and is able to handle the production of pre-filled syringe and vial injections, with quality system and facilities strictly in compliance with NMPA, FDA, and EMA requirements for GMP manufacturing. It provides clients with efficient and reliable end-to-end GMP production services to meet their specialized and customized production requirements. The drug product workshop is equipped with an independent and separate HVAC system, which provides a clean production environment with temperature and humidity controlled within the standard for the workshop 24 hours a day. It is also equipped with SteriSpace VHP disinfection system for effective disinfection of microorganisms in the workshop. The pharmaceutical water unit consists of pure water system, water for injection system, pure steam system, and distribution system. The distribution system is equipped with a real-time online monitoring system to ensure the water quality and supply capacity for drug production. The whole pharmaceutical water unit is designed and validated in compliance with NMPA, EMA, and FDA standards. The workshop consists of a Grade A under Grade B filling area, a Grade C cleaning and sterilization area, and a formulation area, as well as a CNC freeze-drying, visual inspection, and secondary packaging area. The drug product workshop is equipped with automatic filling line from Bosch and freeze dryer from Toflin, which has stable and consistent operation and reliable quality. The equipped Steris automatic parts washer, autoclave, and VHP pass box enable automatic cleaning, sterilization, and transference. A single-use formulation system is used to avoid cross-contamination with a temperature auto-control system. The production process in the workshop is under strict control by multiple procedures to ensure the stability of production through the steps of drug substance thawing, drug substance mixing, pre-filtration, sterilization filtration, filling, freeze-drying, capping, visual inspection, and secondary packaging. Ready-to-use vials and pre-filled syringes are used in the production, and they enter the filling area through the automatic bag opening machine. The Bosch automatic filling line is designed to use a single-use filling system to do the sterile filling with filling volumes ranging from 0.3 milliliters to 20 milliliters, and high-precision filling is achieved by automatic adjustment of the filling pump parameters. The filling line is also equipped with a real-time auto nitrogen filling system to protect the products with nitrogen while filling. Besides, a remote environment monitoring system is installed to monitor the critical production areas to ensure the working environment meets the GMP criteria. The workshop is equipped with an automatic loading-unloading system, which enables automatic product transfer, and using a 5 square meters freeze dryer from Toflin to complete the product freeze-drying requirements, which allow the maximum capacity of 22,000 vials per batch. It also offers CIP and SIP function to avoid cross-contamination of the products. The capping machine from Bosch, which is used for automatic product capping, is located in Grade C area with a Grade A air supply. It offers the function of auto-height detection of the rubber and automatic rejection or removal of cap mist products. The products are 100% visual inspected, during which the unqualified products will be rejected. Production procedures of drug product is operated strictly in compliance with the standard operation procedures to ensure the quality of the final finished products. With great stability, high efficiency, development, and cooperation, GenScript Pro Biologics GMP Manufacturing Center will work with you and grow together.